Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this, whatever you see in the thumbnail, which is how to place your text into perspective onto a wall or in perspective in general. We're going to do this by using the vanishing point tool. Now to start off, you're going to grab your type tool or press T on your keyboard and write your text. You can position it wherever you want, change the font to whatever you like best. Hold down Command and click on this icon. This will create a selection of your text. Command C to copy, Command D to deselect. We're going to hide this for now, add a new layer, go to Filter, Vanishing Point. You're now just going to click to make your plane, which is the walls. We're going to have this wall and this wall to place our text into. To stretch out and make another plane, hold down Command, click and drag. It'll automatically understand where and the perspective of the wall. If it doesn't match up, you can just readjust these dots by hand. When you're happy with your planes, Command V to paste in the text you selected previously, and watch as you drag in, it will bend your text. How cool is this? Anyways, you place your text wherever you want it to be, press OK, and there you have your text. Now you can double click on it, put color overlay, click here, you can just choose whichever color you like. I'm gonna go with a yellow orangey. Then in the blending options, to make it look a little more realistic, you can just hold down the Alt or Option key, click on this little arrow to divide it, and just move this around. Do the same thing with the other side. This will kind of make it more transparent, I guess. So as you can see the texture of the wall beneath the text, and it just looks a little more realistic. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.